Every year, the ice melts on the rivers surrounding Fort McMurray and the water levels rise. The RMWB wants you to be aware of this occurrence and to be safe at all times.
So river breakup is something that happens every year in McMurray and the municipality. So it basically means that every year that river is frozen for a good portion of the year, and sometime or other it's going to melt.
River breakup is basically when the ice breaks. Yeah. The problem is when you have rivers that flow from south to north, you have two rivers coming into the same location. You've got a lot of ice and you've got a lot of water. So there is potential, depending on how the ice breaks up, to form dams. And if you form dams, the water's going to back up.
The flooding in June of last year was due to abnormal circumstances caused by Mother Nature and not caused by the ice breakup. But it did put some measures in place, like the Emergency Operations Center. The center will not eliminate potential flooding, but will put forth a coordinated emergency response.
At the end of the day, there is a risk due to ice jamming that there is a potential for flooding. And we haven't had that for some time. The flooding that happened on the Hanging Stone River is not related to river breakup, but we need to prepare for that. You know, Mother Nature itself, the actual geographical line of that river hasn't changed a lot over the years. Obviously, we're a more populated area than we were before. There are flood mitigation plans in place for the future, but they're long-term plans. So the strategy this year is education, plan, prepare, and if you have any questions, please contact us.
Main thing is safety. Don't go too close to the river. The banks get soft, they're unpredictable. Certainly don't go out on the ice. It's a great idea to go jumping between ice flows, but the ice can shift at any time. It can pop you into that water. You're not going to be around for a long time and you may not be able to get out.
For GO, and reminding you to be safe around the rivers, I'm Doug Roxburgh.